So this is a simple capillary system setup for all of us who have no time. And this was built with items from the dollar store, trying to go the most cost-effective way. You want a solid non-metal tray that's deep, let's say 2+ inches. Yep, I found a cat litter box and it worked just fine. Next, you're going to need a couple of baskets. This one comes in a set of 2 and you are going to need them. The holes in the side are nice because it lets the water flow. You're going to need a cooling rack. This is a single item. And you're going to want to cut those feet off of the cooling rack so that you have a nice flat fit. All right, now we put it together. You put your cat litter box down. Then you place the 2 plastic baskets upside down in the box. Then you put the cooling rack on top. You'll notice that the feet have been cut off. Now for the wicking part, I use felt, but you can really use any type of absorbent material. But you place the fabric on top of the cooling rack and you want to tuck it down into the sides of the litter box so it touches the bottom. Next, you're going to fill up your cat litter box with water or maybe a nutrient solution if you're using that. What happens is the fabric wicks up the liquid from your box and the plants then wick it up from the fabric on the holes from the bottom of the plant pots. This diagram shows the plastic tray as your water reserve, the fabric tucked down to reach that, and the plants that are wicking that up from the fabric using the drainage holes in the bottom of the pot.